organizations and in particular the RCC that is for all of us so important. And it was a clear message that all our region will be. I think all of us have expressed very strong support for taking over the rotating presidency of the Berlin process, so we are all looking forward to the Dresden summit. Colleagues from the Western Balkans achieving the objectives and finally carrying visibility. Let me welcome you all to Skopje today. I think we are